Hey guys, welcome to your first major written assignment, which is the cultural autobiography assignment. This is one of my favorite assignments because this really helps us look into ourselves and reflect about our own identity within the dominant and the non-dominant subgroup. So what are you going to be doing? In this, you are going to be really looking at how each of the cultural group or subgroup is impacting your own identity. How do you identify yourself within that subgroup, within the dominant and the non-dominant, and how does it impact your identity? How does it influence you? So basically what you are going to be doing is these are all your groups that you have. You have the class, the race, the ethnicity, and these are all the different subgroups within it, right? The race, the ethnicity, gender, language, religion, exceptionality, age, geography, others. Others could be related to sports, related to arts, related to volunteering, related to different things, right? So you're going to take each of these sections and you are going to say which subgroup do you belong to. And then once you say which subgroup you belong to, you also talk about how does it influence your relation between us and the dominant group or subgroup, and then how does it inform your own position. That is what you are going to be talking about. So let's look at the rubric. This is the cultural autobiography rubric. It is for 200 points. So it's a major assignment. For each of these subgroups and the other also, you will have 10 points if you identify your position, explain how it relates to dominant and non-dominant, and then how does it influence your identity. This is one thing that the students lose points with. They talk about these two things, but they do not talk about how it influences your identity. And that is the reason they end up getting a developing on it rather than getting a proficient on it. You can make a PowerPoint. PowerPoint is easy. You can do Canva. You can do any of sorts of things. In your folder, there are some great examples. I give you some great examples, excellent examples of how this assignment should look like. You always have examples in the folder for what to be doing the best on it. There is one example that actually separates the influence, the impact, and the positioning separately, which is I thought was a great formatting way of scoring the best on this assignment. So each one of these is for 10 points, and then obviously well written, font size is appropriate, it is not cut off due to images. That is for 20 points. You have citations. Most everybody really doesn't have citation in this, so this becomes like a free grade for you guys. Good grammar, creativity. Okay, you have to have pictures. You have to have pictures that add on to it. So write images on each slide that add to the text. So that is where your creativity comes in. If you have 70% of the images, that's there. One of the things that you have to do is you have to have a current professional picture of yourself. You've already had it for the introduction graphic, and so this is going to be it's your assignment. It's about you. I read those. These are not shared by anyone. There are stories that come out through this assignment that are heartwarming, which is the purpose of this assignment is to really think about yourself, your positioning, your identity within the different areas of the subgroup. If you have any questions about the assignments, logistics, or anything else, please do not hesitate to post it on the course question discussion board. I look forward to reading your assignments and best of luck. I forgot to say, you're more than welcome to email me if you need any help. However, anything that is related to the assignment related or logistics will be posted on the course question discussion board so that your question can help the other students in the class, and I can keep this all organized without my email going crazy. So best of luck. If you have any questions, as I already said, And then I look forward to reading about yourself and knowing you guys better.